Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this video we are going to develop a calculator for calculating area of different shapes, right? This is a project for developing calculator that can use it for calculating area of different shapes like square, rectangle, circle, and so on and so forth. So without spending much more time, let us start. As you know, here you should start with hash include then input output stream. This one using namespace ctd. Then here we need to use or to make declaration of global variable, which is pi. Let us use constant since is constant. Float is float pi, which is equal to 3.14, 15, 9, and so on and so forth, like this one, right? Then after defining or declaring this global variable, now we should develop different functions for different operations. Yeah, here let us start with a function for area of square, right? Let us use void area square. Let us call it like this one, square. Then this function we calculate area of square, right? Here we need to make declaration of side, fruit side, like this one. Then celled enter side of square, like this one. Yeah, things like this, right? Then after this one we need now to read it, see side. Then this function should display our area of square, celled area of square is equal to space, then our area of square is equal to side times side, times side, like this one, but let us end baseline. Yeah, now we already finished to develop function for calculating area of square, right? So let us continue with the area of rectangle. Let us define another function for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, this one. Yeah, now we need also two variables, fruit length and also width, this one. Then we need these variables here, celled interlength, just this one, like this one. Then cm, our variable is length. Also we need this width. Let us copy this, paste it here in order to save time. Celled enter now width, this one, and also cn width, like this one. Then after getting these variables, now we can calculate and display our area of rectangle. Say out area of rectangle is equal to, then here you know that area of rectangle is equal to length times width. That's why you should take length times width, like this one. Then we should also end this line like this one, right? At this point, we already finished two functions, one for area of square and this one for area of rectangle. Let us develop another one for circle, right? Let us develop another function for calculating area of circle. Void area now is circle function. Then after this, we need now one variable, which is just radius. You know, we need radius, this one, and you know that here this is T, is not D. Fruit radius. Now we need to read it. South inter radius, then like this one, C in radius, this one. Then after getting radius, now we can calculate and display area of our circle, right? I just say what area of circle is equal to, you know, area of circle is equal to our pi times radius, to mean that is radius square times pi. You see, like this one. Then we need to end also this line, then we will semicolon here, right? So these are three functions for calculating area for the square shape, rectangle shape, and the circle shape, right? So now, after developing these functions, we can now start our program, right? Remember, each and every C++ program starts with a main function, right? Int main function, this one, and remember that here what we need is just variables that we are going to use. Let us now use choice, because we will use a switch for selecting which shape we are going to use or to find area for, right? Because we have different shapes, we need now to specify which shape we are going to find its area, right? Now let us make variable declaration int choice. We need choice here, and then here we use do. Let us use do. You know, it's just do as syntax. Open. Then after while condition. Sorry, here. While condition should be here. Then here, let us now, after opening our do, we are going to see out. Let us see out this statement. See out see out just like this one. Let us display this statement here. This is shape area calculator. Let us write this statement: shape area calculator. This one, this is message we should display here. Then here we need also to display options. So here we have option 1, which is square, right? Square, like this one. Then end line, new line. Also here we have, let me copy this one, paste it here to save time. Also paste it here. Things like this one. We have also shape number 2, which is rectangle. Remember, rectangle here. Also we have shape number 3, which is circle. Do you remember? We have circle here. And also here for option number 4, if someone click option number 4 to mean our program is the end, you should make exit, right? Let us here exit a program, exit program. Then that is, and then here we need now to ask a user to enter his or her choice. Let us just use this one. See out enter choice. Enter choice. Or just your choice, enter your choice, like this one. Then after this one, you should enter your choice here, and then like this one, and you should also read your choice as usual by using cin statement, right? Here, cin choice, this one. Then after this one, now after getting a choice, we need now to use a switch case statement, right? We need switch case statement here so that a user can choose whatever he or she wants. Then remember, switch case statement, its syntax is just switch, then expression. Let us use this one, switch. Here our expression is choice. Let us open our switch statement. Here we have choice. Remember, this is our variable here, choice. Now we need to specify cases, right? Here we have case 1. Here we have case 1, things like this one, and is for area of square. Remember, when someone click 1, we should calculate area of square. For second option is area of rectangle, and for third option is area of circle, right? Here it has case 1, call our area square, our first function for calculating area of square. This one, you see, this one, area square. Then for second case, let me copy this one, paste it here. Case number 2 is all about area rectangle. Remember, these are functions we already defined and developed. Rectangle, this one. And also case number 3, we have area of what? Area of circle. Remember, area circle. These are functions we already defined here. For square, this one. For rectangle, this one. and for circle, this one. Those are functions we are calling right here. Then remember that in switch, case statement should end with break. That here we should also type here break, this keyword. Let me copy this one, paste it for every single line here, this one. But what if our user or user of this program choose option 4? What will happen? Case 4. What do you think about it? Here for case 4, we'll say like, thank you for using our program, cause it just exit. See out. Thank you for using the program, just like this one. Program, just message like this one. Then also here we should use break statement, this keyword. Then put it here, and also this is enough. But remember that every switch case statement should end with default keyword. Default keyword that displays default message when there is no option chosen among those options, right? Just see out. You can just say invalid choice. Invalid choice, like this one. Let us use this exclamation, and here of course we should use end line like this one. Then as you see, we already finished our switch case statement, you see. Now what we need is to specify which condition will our program will end, at which condition our program will end. Imagine when someone click on option 4, in that case we will make exit. But if he or she click in those options less than 4, to mean either option 1, option 2, option 3, in that case we will still use our program. That's why here our condition should be this one, while our choice, you see, our choice is not equal to 4, right? Not equal to 4, to mean that our program will still working. But if our condition or just our choice is equal to 4, to mean we will exit a program, right? That's why here we write like this one. If choice is not equal to 4, we will continue to use our program, right? Meaning that we still calculating areas, right? Yeah. And remember that each and every C++ program should have this statement return 0. This one, right? So this is how you can develop a calculator for calculating areas of different shapes, right? So let us run our program to check how we'll display an output, right? And please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us in GWO Coding Academy. Compilation by checking whether there is some errors or not. Let us now call it calculator, like this one, calculator 2. Then click save here, check for errors. We should wait for check. You see there is no errors. As you see here, our compilation is already done. Let us now learn to check for an output by clicking here on learn. Then as you see, once we run our program, you see shape area calculator, our statement. Then there is different options here. First option is square, second one is rectangle, third one is circle, but fourth one is exit. One wants to exit our program, right? So what you need to do now here is to make choice. Let us choose the first one for calculating area of square. Then once you click on first choice, you see we should enter side of square. Let us enter 5 and then check for area of square is equal to 25. You see, area of square is equal to 25, right? Then here you can also choose another option just for rectangle. Let us choose 2 for rectangle, and you see we should enter the length of rectangle. Let us choose like a 6, and also we should enter width of rectangle. Let us choose 2, right? Then here we are dealing with a rectangle of 6 length and 2 as the width, right? Then once you click on enter, you see area of rectangle now is 12, right? But also we can also calculate area of circle by just clicking 3. You see, once we choose 3, we should enter radius of circle. Let us enter like 4. To mean we are going to deal with circle of radius 4. Then let us click here to find out area of circle is now 50, right? 50.26, right? By just radius square times pi as already defined in our project, right? And as you see, you can also still working with different shapes. You can just calculating areas for different shapes, right? As you see here, we can still work on these areas, but also we can just also make exit by just clicking 4. Let us use option 4, right? 4, and then click enter here. You see, thank you for using the program, right? And the process is now returning value which is 0, right? To mean that our program is now end. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that you can still learn together and develop our skills about coding, programming languages, right? And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section so that we can still help each other and grow each other. So thank you. See you in the next video.